I would like to call Pathan Sabina, and her topic is impact of social media.
Let's take a situation. If I offer you a plate of veggies to eat and on the other hand pizza of relish, what would you choose? A basic human nature will choose latter any day. Similar situation happen at the practical life as well. We students giving a considered choice either to spend a good quality time on social media and deal with both advantages or disadvantages on the same or focus completely on an academics. Hello everyone, my name is Pathan Shabina and I am getting the spectacularly lot to talk about how social media affects in students' life and the impact of social media. First of all, we also use social media, right? So one share, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook पर पूछा जाए सवाल, ट्विटर व्हाट्सएप फेसबुक पर पूछा जाए सवाल, बंदा इमोजी भेज बता देता कितना है बेहाल. Social media may give you a moment of free choice and enjoyment, but didn't of us know that we are wrong? It is more harm than good, like damages the eyes, radiation that pass it through, toxicity into your mind, etc. Well, these are the little and basic things. But do we know how it's affecting senses, organs, knowledge and mental health? Many people go crazy after spending so much time on screen and irritated from others, gets easily promoted into tiny thing. But it is okay, that is choice to improve. Now, let's take a view on a parent side. Of course, each and every parent about her child's success. All they want is you respect the quality time and devices to make sure actress person as a students as well. Most importantly, let's not forget the contribution of online and digital platforms in this era of COVID. Students can share their experiences and views into some important issue and can stay up to date with around the world. It is because the positive effect on their knowledge like learning, better communication, online classes and many more things. Now, I concentrate my speech on explaining whole water of given example of traffic light. Social media is like a traffic light. When red lights signify resistance and using social media and exits provide the gap between using the academics and gives us the opportunity to focus on our mental health and the self-inspections. Whether green light specifies strength and clear way allowing us to use it, but within our limits. Basically, humans have to respond to red signals and a green light allowed them to do so. It means the possibility which in created be limit. At one of a side, he or she is focusing other important aspects as well. Now I will end my speech on these funny lines. उलझ गई है जिंदगी सोशल मीडिया में भैया, कोई ढूंढे सैया तो कोई कराए ताता थैया ऐसा कि छूटे न मोबाइल, जब भी लेके बैठो सोशल मीडिया करे स्माइल हो ऐसी लाइक कमेंट के चक्कर भरी, यूज़ हो रहा है ऐसे जैसे नौकरी मिली सरकारी काम मिला है, बेरोजगारी हुई दूर, अब उंगलियों का चर कुछ कर जाने का सुरूर. Thank you everyone for listening my speech. Thank you.
Excellent. Now Sumra Maheshwar will come and her topic is hard work and success.
Assalamu alaikum, vast a beautiful good morning to ladies and gentlemen, respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sumra Maheshwara. I am from Standard 8. Today I will speak about hard work and success. Hard work is a driving force behind every accomplishment, big or small. It is a dedication, effort, determination that propel us toward our goal, while talent and opportunities may serve a starting point. It's hard work transform potential tangible achievement. History is replete with example of individuals who through relentless dedication, diligence have overcome insurmountable odds, achieve greatness. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a result of consistent effort. Perseverance, the path of success is often lined with setbacks, obstacles, but also commit hard work, remain understand. The umbrella challenges of opportunities, learn and grow. never losing sight of their ultimate objectives. Furthermore, hard work cultivates a sense of discipline and resilience. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Now I would like to call Sheikh Afia, and her topic is junk food.
Assalamu alaikum. Vast a beautiful good morning to ladies and gentlemen, respected honorable principal sir, teachers and all my lovely friends. My name is Sheikh Afia. I am from belong to standard 8. Today I will speak about our junk food. Junk food is very harmful to our health. Packed and oily food sold in the markets, that are junk food. Junk food is very tasty, but they do not provide any nutrition to our body. Junk food contains high amount of nutrition, sugar and calories. French fries, burgers, noodles and pizzas are very popular junk food. Junk food generally consists of pre-cooked and pre-processed meals. Junk foods are eatable waste that does not benefit our body by eating. Junk food does not help much in the growth of our mind and our body. We should cook healthy food in our homes. It is very important to create awareness of the bad impact of the junk food on our health. It damages our digestive and immune system day by day. People love to eat junk food. Junk food can make us lazy. Junk food is very convenient but not good for us. Junk food is very tasty but unhealthy. Junk food is very poor in nutrition. It is very poor in dietary fiber. A lot of junk food has high sugar. It has high salt content. A junk food is very low or nutritional value. Junk food are eatable waste. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Kumar Faiza, and her topic is impact of social media.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kumar Faiza. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am going to speak about the impact of social media. Social media platforms have undoubtedly brought us closer together in many ways, but it's essential to critically examine both their positive and negative implications on our lives and society. On the positive side, social media has revolutionized communication. It has allowed us to connect with family, friends, and acquaintances across the globe, breaking down geographical barriers. Through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, we can share moments, exchange ideas, and stay updated on each other in lives in real time. Social media has also provided a platform for activism and social change. Movements and campaigns are now initiated, organized, and amplified through these platforms. The impact of social media is not without its challenges. Additionally, the spread of misinformation and fake news on social media poses significant threat to informed decision-making. Rumors can spread rapidly, leading to confusion and even shaping public opinions based on inaccurate and based information. The impact of social media is undeniable and multifaceted. While it brought us closer together and empowered social movements, it's vital that we navigate this digital landscape with caution. Let us leverage social media to foster meaningful connection, share knowledge, and drive positive change. Social media has now become a part of our culture. You are a part of it or you ignore it. मोबाइल के नशे में इस कदर चूर बैठे हैं, मोबाइल के नशे में इस कदर चूर बैठे हैं, एक कमरे में Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Now I would like to call Gajaria Samir, and his topic is hard work and success.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, respected director sir, principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Gajaria Samir. Today I will say speech on the topic of hard work and success. Hard work is a key to success. We can climb straight to success only by working hard. We can't achieve anything without hard work. Hard work only leads us to success. Hard work makes us strong physically and mentally. By working hard, our health is also good and we stay fit. Hard work determines our value in life. Without hard work, we cannot move forward. The reward of hard work is mental satisfaction. It gives peace to our mind. We also get good sleep by working hard. We do not think about any wrong thing because our life remains busy. A lazy person is a burden to the society with hard work. We can get all thoughts comfort in life. So man should keep working hard in his life. Constance, vigilance, and preparedness to work is a price to pay for success. In life, work is a privilege and a pressure. Success is a fruit of hard work and efforts. Success cannot in a day. Success, achievement of our goal. Any human can change his destiny through hard work. People who are hardworking are characterful, honest, and self-supporting. No work in the world can be accomplished without hard work. I end my speech these two lines. There are no secret to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. सफलता का कोई रहस्य नहीं है. ये तैयारियाँ, कड़ी मेहनत और विफलता से सीखने का परिणाम है. Thank you and have a nice day.